In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and customize the CheckoutWC plugin in WordPress to create a Shopify-style checkout experience. We'll go from downloading the plugin all the way to testing the finished checkout on both desktop and mobile, so you can make sure everything looks polished and works smoothly for your customers. To begin, download the CheckoutWC plugin file. This will usually come as a zip file, and it's important to keep it in that format because WordPress will need the zip file for the upload process. Once you have that ready, open your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to the Plugins section, then select Add New and choose Upload Plugin. This is where you can upload premium or third-party plugins directly into your site. Next, upload the CheckoutWC zip file you downloaded earlier. After the file has been selected, click to install it and then activate the plugin once the installation is complete. Activating it makes the plugin available inside your WordPress admin area so you can start configuring it right away. At some point during setup, you may be asked to enter your license information. Go ahead and add it when required. This step is important because it can unlock updates, support, and the full functionality included with your purchase. After activation, open the CheckoutWC settings. This is where you'll control the overall design and behavior of your checkout page. Start by selecting a Shopify-style checkout template if that's the look you want. This gives your store a modern, streamlined layout that feels familiar to online shoppers. From there, customize the visual appearance. Add your logo so the checkout matches your brand, then adjust the fonts, colors, and button styles. Try to keep these settings consistent with the rest of your website so the customer experience feels seamless from product page to payment page. Next, configure your guest checkout and account creation options. This is an important part of reducing friction during checkout. Some stores benefit from making guest checkout quick and easy, while others may want to encourage account creation for repeat customers. You can also enable useful checkout features like trust badges and address autocomplete when those options are available. Trust badges can help reinforce credibility, while address autocomplete can speed up form filling and reduce typing errors. Once everything looks the way you want, save the settings. Don't skip this step or your changes may not be applied. Finally, test the complete checkout process on both desktop and mobile. Go through the full customer journey carefully to confirm that the layout, branding, form behavior, and overall flow all work as expected. This final check helps you catch any usability issues before real customers do.